This year, the Valley Career and Technical Center welding students teamed up with the Governor's School's engineering students to design and fabricate the strongest bridge that was the lightest and least expensive to build. The bridges were then tested individually using a forklift, hanging just under 4 tons of steel from the bridge to see if it could withstand the forces acting upon it. While some bridges fared quite well, others not so much. This project was designed to replicate real-world problems. Students needed to communicate and collaborate through numerous trials and errors. For instance, after the engineers designed the bridge in the simulator, the welders sometimes discovered that bringing the drawings to life was more challenging than expected, and the two groups would meet back together again at the drawing board to solve those problems. Overall, this lengthy project taught all of the students valuable lessons, and each has walked away from this experience a little wiser for the future.